Think your home looks perfect? Chances are, you might be making some hidden design mistakes that ruin the vibe without even realizing it. Wrong color choices. That perfect paint swatch in the store? On your wall, it can look completely different. Always test colors in your actual lighting before committing. Ignoring lighting. Lighting changes everything. A single overhead light makes your space look flat. Instead, layer in lamps, sconces, and warm tones for depth and mood. Chasing trends over style. Trendy looks fade fast. Build around your personal style. That's how you create a home you'll actually love living in, long term. Forgetting wall art furniture alone won't make your home feel complete. Bare walls look unfinished, but the right wall art can pull your design together, add personality, and turn plain into wow. Great design isn't about perfection. It's about creating a space that feels like you. Skipping space planning. Buying furniture without measuring? Big mistake. A sofa too large or too small instantly throws off your room's balance. So test colors, layer your lighting, plan your layout, don't skip wall art, and always choose style over trends. What's the biggest design mistake you've made? Drop it in the comments. And for more insider tips, subscribe and hit the bell.